How to add or remove live speech in the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. After that, tap on the Add button. Next, we go down, then tap on Add a control. And in the control list, scroll down and we go down to the accessibility section. Then tap on live speech. And that control will be added to your control center. If you want to remove it, just tap on the remove button here on the corner to remove that control. So here we tap on add a control to go back down and then tap on live speech. After that, swipe up, then swipe up again to return back to the home screen. Now, when you want to quickly open up live speech, just pull down the control center, then tap on the shortcut to open up live speech. And then you can tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.